This is Frankie McDowell, my own news station live in the Naval Park. Attention citizens of Denver, Colorado. Blizzard warning has been issued for Denver. It's supposed to be 10+ centimeters of snow. People in Denver have to be prepared for huge blizzard. It's going to be 10+ inches of snow. It's supposed to be powerful winds. It will knock all the power lines down. It will destroy all the transformers. Destroy all kinds of telephone poles. People in Denver, wear your warm clothes when the power goes out. Furnace will not work in Denver, Colorado. Roads will get very slippery in Denver, Colorado. Cars will get in a car accident. The trucks and big trucks will even get in a car accident. Huge blizzard is going to hit Denver, Colorado. Have your winter boots ready. Have your winter jackets ready. Have your winter hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants ready. Huge, powerful blizzard is hitting Denver, Colorado on Wednesday. There will be ton of snow. It's going to hit the ground. Roads will be extremely slippery in Denver. People in Denver, be prepared. Even when the major blizzards come for the rest of the winter in Denver, Colorado. People in Denver, be prepared for a major blizzard on Wednesday and tonight. It's supposed to be over 10 inches of snow. It's going to hit Denver, Colorado. Best of luck to ya. People in Denver, be prepared for a major blizzard. Good luck.